it's Angel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be making a healthy bubble tea alternative. I'm going to show you guys how to make a purple sticky rice with yogurt drink, and it's a drink that's made popular by Yomi's, which is a chain called Yomi's Rice and Yogurt. It's super delicious. I think they normally charge $6 or $7, so it's quite expensive if you actually go out and buy this, but it's super easy to make at home, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious drink in a couple easy steps. So with that, let's get started. For this recipe, we'll just need a few simple ingredients. We're gonna start off with some Greek yogurt. And for 1 mason jar cup, we're gonna be needing 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. We will also need about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, or you can use a milk of your choice. We'll also need some cane sugar. I use about 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, but if you don't like yours as sweet, you can go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. We will also need some glutinous rice. Now I've got about 1/4 cup of glutinous rice here. Now purple glutinous rice, if you haven't had it before, is actually a sticky rice, and it's high in antioxidants and proteins, so it's actually very healthy for you compared to brown rice or even white rice. Finally, we'll need some ice cubes, and I like to use about 1 cup of ice cubes. Step 1 is to cook our rice. I've gone ahead to wash it, and I'm just gonna put that in my rice cooker. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water and put that directly into my rice cooker as well. And then we're going to cook that on quick and press start. And that's going to take about 20 minutes. And while we're waiting, let me go ahead and tell you about today's sponsor. Guitar, please. So today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. A big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online community with inspiring classes for creators where you can deepen existing passions, explore new skills, and get lost in creativity. So as you guys know, I play a bit of piano, and I've been taking some online piano classes, but I also came across some guitar classes. And one of the classes is a complete beginner's guide to learning guitar by Mark Barnacle. And 2 of the things that I learned in this class are 1, how to tune a guitar, and then 2, how to play a chord. The first 1,000 people to click on the link below and sign up will get a free trial to Skillshare's premium membership, so you guys can get lost in your own creativity. And now, back to the recipe. Darn it! And now let's check on the rice. Now that the rice is done, I've gone ahead to let that cool. You can also make this the night before and let that cool overnight in the fridge. Now we're going to put everything into the blender. We're going to start with our Greek yogurt. 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt. Then our coconut milk. Next, we'll sweeten our drink. And I like to do about 2 tablespoons. And finally, the ice. I'm using about 1 cup of ice here. Cover that, and we're gonna go ahead and blend this. Once it's smooth, now is the right time to add in our purple sticky rice. So I'm gonna add about half of what we cooked, so that's about 3 tablespoons. Cover that back up, and then instead of blending, we're gonna pulse. Just give that a few pulses, and what we wanna do is just kind of break up that purple sticky rice, but not blend it in completely. That's perfect. That way it has some texture and it'll be chewy, just kind of like boba. All right, so now we are gonna serve this. Okay, and to top it off, I have some non-dairy whipped cream. It's almond milk whipped cream, so semi-healthy, right? We're just gonna add that directly to the top. I went a little overboard there, but You get the point. And finally, the straw. And now we're done. And that, guys, is how you make purple sticky rice yogurt drink. Cheers! So you know what this tastes like? It kind of tastes like in Asia they have these red bottles of yogurt drinks, small red bottles. I think they call it 养乐多. And it's super delicious. It's got that tart taste, but it's really nice because there's that purple sticky rice that's kind of chewy. It's almost like you're having boba and bubble tea, but it's actually really healthy and really good for you. I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's bubble tea drink alternative recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share a drink together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!